Hello, it's Guillaume from Reflexer Lab, and today I will show you how to open a safe and draw some RAI on the new testnet. So the first thing you need to do is to install Node.js and run this command here to install the GEB console globally. So I have it already installed, and now you can start it like this. So I want to start it on Kovan, so I type Kovan, but you could as well start it on mainnet and interact with the system on mainnet. But I'll just do Kovan for now. So this just starts a JavaScript console with the GEB.js library exposed. So you can find the documentation on doc.reflexer.finance. Under getting started with GEB.js, you will find an example right here, and it's what we're gonna do today. All right. The first thing I need to do is to deploy a proxy. To deploy a proxy, I use the GEB object already exposed, and I will call the function GEB deploy proxy. It will return a transaction request object that I will need to send to the Ethereum network. To do that, there is this little function already exposed here, Metamask, that will just open my web browser and propose me to send a transaction through Metamask. Metamask opens up right here. I'm on Kovan, and I just need to confirm the transaction. I have the transaction hash right here, and I need to wait that the transaction confirms. So it just did confirm. Now I need to fetch the new proxy object that I just deployed using the function getProxy. This getProxy function requires one parameter, which is my Ethereum wallet address. So this is just the address from my Metamask account right here on Kovan. I run that, and I need to add a wait here because this function returned a promise. And now I have my proxy. All right, so the next step is that we're gonna open a safe through this proxy. This proxy has a bunch of functions, such as this, has a bunch of functions that you can see by using tab. And the one that we want to use now is open lock ETH and generate debt. So the function will open a new safe, lock some ether into it, and draw some debt. All right, and it will return a transaction request like the precedent function, the deploy proxy function. All right, the first parameter is the number of ETH you want to lock. So let's lock up 1 ether. I use this WAD function that will convert 1 ether to like a number of way, right? So 10 to the power 18. Then I need to specify the collateral I want to use. Currently, the only collateral available is ETHA. You can use this variable already defined here. And the last parameter is how much RAI I want to draw. So let's draw 100 RAI. Note that there is currently the safe need to draw at least 85. That's the minimum that you need to draw. So let's draw 100. Okay, so I have a new transaction request right here, and again, I will send it through Metamask. Okay, I click confirm, and now I can wait for the transaction to confirm, and it did. So as you can see, I sent 1 ether to the wrap ether contract, and it will be transferred to the system, and finally I get 100 RAI to my account here. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.